Hey guys, today we'll see how to download Robot Studio ABB by ABB Robotics. So for that you have to just search for Robot Studio free download or download, and then you have to go to the official website. Here, go down and you can see this file over here, Robot Studio 21 version, and it's around 1.9 GB. So I'll just click it once. After that, you can see this page. It is asking you to fill all these details. Now, the main focus here is you need to put your email ID, and then just click this and submit it. After doing that, on your mail ID, whichever respective mail ID you gave here, you'll receive a mail. That mail contains a link to download. We'll just click on it, and the download will begin. As I already downloaded it, so I'll just cancel it once, and we'll see the downloaded file directly. So as you can see here, it is the downloaded file. I'll just open it once. So here, Robot Studio, let's open this file. After that, you can see a setup.exe file, which is the application type file. We'll just open it. So the setup is done, and now we'll proceed with the installation part. All right, so click on next. Yes, you have to accept and read all these things. Of course, I did it too. Then press next, accept, and yeah, it depends on you where you want to keep it. I'll just keep it here and then okay. Next, and yes, of course, the complete version. It's actually a trial version, but so yeah, we'll go to proceed here. We'll wait for a while. It's going to install. All right, so we are almost done with the installation part, and just wait for 1 more minute, I guess. Great, so we are done with the installation. Just click finish and refresh it a couple of times, and then proceed with it. All right, so after that, it will ask you to install a robotware, which you have to say yes. Yeah, we'll wait for the next process. All right, so as you can see here, it is asking you to install it, this package. I'll just click on it once. And I click on add. Of course, you have to read it again. I did it too, accept. And as you can see, the installation for this is going to begin. Great, so we are done with this. After this, let's close this, click refresh, and if you would like, just restart your device, and then we are good to go with Robot Studio 21.